Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine at your home. I am here your Islamiyat teacher Miss Nida Majeed, and today our topic is Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam. Dear students, Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was born in Iraq. His father was carpenter, he making and selling the idols for worship. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam was a man of truth. He worshipped only one God, Allah. He did not worship idols. He knew that it was silly to do so. One day, he asked his father how to worship gods which himself had shaped. His father replied that he had found his forefather doing the same. Prophet Ibrahim salam was not satisfied with the answer. Therefore, he decided to prove that the idols the people worshipped were powerless and could be no of use of them. On one occasion, the people had gone out enjoying themselves at a fair. Prophet Ibrahim salam thought it was a good chance. He went straight to the temple carrying an axe. In a few minutes, he broke all the idols except one of the chief of God. When the people saw the next day what had happened to their gods, they asked, "Who has done this to our gods?" Some people said that they heard the young man called Ibrahim speak of these gods. The people asked, "Have you done this to our gods?" Prophet Ibrahim salam replied, "Why don't you ask these idols? They will tell you everything that has happened." They said, "Ibrahim, you already know that these idols can't speak. Do you then worship instead of Allah things that cannot benefit you in any way?" said Ibrahim alayhi salam. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam had an argument with the king also. He was very proud to be the king. He believed that he was a good king. Prophet Ibrahim alayhi salam said to him, "My sustainer is he who gives life and causes death." He said, "I also have power of life and death." But Ibrahim alayhi salam said, "My sustainer is he who causes the sun to rise in the east. Can you cause it to rise in the west?" This silenced the king. But the stubborn king decided to punish Prophet Ibrahim salam while Allah was watching and listening to all. The king had a big fire made. He ordered Ibrahim salam to be thrown into the leaping flames. The flames might have consumed